Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you all are doing great. So today we will learn how to take a determinant of a metric in MS Word. So first you need to click on this insert option and then go to this equation and then click on this equation option and then click on this bracket option. Now click on this vertical bar. After this, click on this dotted area and then go to this metric option and select this 3 by 3 empty matrix. So now you can put your values whatever you want to put. So this is how you can take a determinant of a metric in MS Word. So in this math type you can write the value whatever you want, like partial over partial x. We are supposed to paste this value in a determinant matrix. So click on this dotted area and then press Ctrl V. So your value will be pasted here. I hope this video will help you. So thank you so much.